Hello guys, today I am talking about how to change Ubuntu password when you are got forget. So let's get started. I am open here VMware workstation. This is my Ubuntu machine. I started it. First time check it. My password is work or not. Wait some minutes. Yes guys, screen it comes. This is my username and password is I think root. No guys, password is not root. I am forget it. So I am change it. How we change it? I am going to here and restart the machine. Restart. Guys, here hold shift key whenever advanced option is not comes. Yes guys, advanced option is comes. This is the advanced option second. So you go to advanced option and press enter. And here you go to recovery mode. Here you search root top to root cell command prompt and press enter. Press enter for maintenance. Press Ctrl D to continue. Again enter. Root. Here you type here password. Password. And username, whatever your username. My username is here root. This is username. So I am here type root. Enter. Enter new Unix password. Type here that password which you want to change. I want to change here and the password is root. Guys, password is not showing, so don't touch it and press enter. Again type same password root. Enter. Yes guys, password is successfully updated. So in this time my password is root. So I'm going to restart it. Exit this. Close this. And again started Ubuntu machine. Wait some time whenever your screen is not come. Yes guys, this is my username and password is here. Previous time my password is root is not work, but I'm in this time my password is root. So I'm press here root. I'm check it here. It's work or not and press enter. Guys, if you enjoyed the video, like, share and subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching the video.